Looking to add some personality to your Facebook Messenger chats? Why not switch up the background theme? It's a quick and easy way to make your conversations more fun and engaging. I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to change background theme on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger. Open the message in which you want to change the theme. Tap on the eye icon at the top right. Then go to Theme. Select the theme that you like. Then tap on Select. And that's it. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.